overflowing filthy garbage bins on footpaths, roads, in our neighborhood has become a common sight these days. Do we really care about this burgeoning problem that our city, Bangalore, is facing? This is an issue that is of major concern, not just for our city, but for the whole country and the world in general. Let's try to understand this problem of urban waste management and what all initiatives have been taken in Bangalore by the state, market, community, and civil society organizations to tackle it. In this video, we will be mainly focusing on organic or biodegradable waste. Waste is of 6 types: plastic, organic waste, biomedical waste, e-waste, construction and demolition waste, and non-biodegradable waste. Out of these types of wastes, organic waste is biodegradable, which means it can be decomposed. Organic waste mainly includes food, kitchen waste, garden waste, animal and plant waste, etc. All this material can easily be decomposed by composting. Composting is an easy way to decompose this organic waste under oxygen-rich conditions. These organic components break down and turn into compost material that is rich in nutrients and can be used as fertilizers. All our kitchen waste can be converted to manure, which can be very helpful for agricultural activities and home gardening. There are different types of composting technologies, such as vermicomposting, anaerobic composting, aerobic composting, etc. Depending upon the amount of waste generated, infrastructure available, and climatic conditions, different techniques of composting can be used. Composting can be done even at an individual or community level. Yet, most of us don't do it and thus end up contributing to this ever-increasing problem of waste. Bangalore generates 5,000 metric tons of waste every day, out of which 60 to 70% is wet waste or organic waste. Very little percentage of organic waste is managed. Most of it goes to landfills. What steps could be taken in order to restrict our organic waste from going to landfills? First major step which all of us must take is to segregate our waste. This waste can be segregated in 2 parts: wet waste and dry waste. What can be done next? Let's try to understand the various initiatives taken by the government, community, market, and civil society organizations to tackle this issue of organic waste in Bangalore. Government is a major stakeholder in managing waste. It's considered to be the state's responsibility to efficiently manage waste. Municipal solid waste management rules have been laid down and adopted in 2016. It gives several guidelines and criteria for managing organic waste. Karnataka State Policy and Strategy on Solid and Plastic Waste Management has also given several guidelines for composting organic or biodegradable waste. According to an article published in Economic Times, Karnataka Pollution Board has proposed to make household composting of waste to be mandatory. State is going to make it compulsory for every citizen to compost waste at individual or community level. There are several examples where communities have taken initiatives to compost organic waste. Let's take an example of Rainbow Drive, a gated community on Sarjapura Road. This gated community has invested in building infrastructure for composting waste since 2011. They have got excellent results out of that initiative. Several temples and churches in Bangalore have also undertaken composting. temples generate a lot of organic waste like floral waste, food waste, especially during festivals. Around 20 temples and churches in the city have started composting. Venugopala Swami Temple in Malleshwaram, ISKCON Temple in Sheshadripuram are some of the temples in the city. St. Andrew's Church has also started composting. Several initiatives have been taken by civil society organizations to create awareness about managing organic waste in Bangalore. Hasirudala is one of them. Hasirudala innovations promote composting at individual or community level or take organic waste to Karnataka Composting Development Corporation KCDC. They have also have organic waste converters. Green Viron, which is a Bangalore based organization, provides automatic organic waste converters through which biodegradable waste can easily be converted to compost. Solid Waste Management Roundtable in Bangalore is a volunteer group that works for solving the urban waste management issues. They have started a home composting initiative called Swachhagraha. Through this platform, they create awareness and urge people to compose their organic waste at home. Citizen Gauge is another platform that connects the waste collectors and waste generators. They have connected several businesses, restaurants, industries to waste collectors for effectively managing waste. Restaurants generate huge amount of food waste. This platform enables them to connect with the piggeries in the city. Thus, these are some of the initiatives taken by the government, community, market, and civil society organizations to effectively tackle the complex issue. But can there be simple solutions to this gigantic, ever-increasing menace? One cannot point fingers to other institutions unless we resolve to take this issue head-on at the individual level. Let us all come together to manage our own organic waste. Landfills contaminate groundwater and emit harmful gases in the air. Let's stop our organic waste from going into the landfills and make our city clean and green. Thank you.